today. Well, I say today, I'm here on my own for a couple of hours. I've already been here underneath. It's a bit dark, sorry I didn't bring a torch. I've basically put under seal on all those bits of chassis that were repaired and painted. If I go around this side, you'll be able to see. There you go. Ignore the bit of wood. I just put that there because I need to try and get this back box back on, and I'm thinking the wood will help me balance it all on there and try and get it up. I'm reusing, sacrilege because I forgot to buy one, the old gasket. So I've got some exhaust paste and I'm going to use that with it. And I've got some nice new nuts and bolts and washers to put it all back together. Hi. I don't know what you're going to see under here. It's a bit dark and miserable, but at least you can say I tried. Eh? Tried to get you involved. Tried to get you exhausted. So what do you do with this gum stuff? Apply straight from the tube, liberally around sockets, pipes and clamps. Fit them together, tighten them up. Okay. Avoid running the engine till it's hardened. That's good because I don't plan on starting him up today. So, gum. You probably can't see anything. I feel like it might be too much I'm putting on, but we'll have a go. We'll just gum it all up. Why not? Ah! So yeah, I don't know. Gum it all up, I guess. It's gonna all splodge out when I tighten it up, isn't it? I'm still going to use the gasket. If I put the gasket on, probably can't see any of this. Put the gasket on, put a couple of bolts with washers. Through here. See. Okay, and we'll go for exhaust up. Hopefully, onto this piece of wood. Hopefully. Maybe the wood's too high. Yeah. Alright then, well my plan is foiled. Uh-oh. I got exhaust paste on my leg. Only a little bit. Okay, so the wood's no good. So I'll have to just lean on the spring, I suppose. Don't chip the new paint. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. That was the can next to me just went boom. So lean it on here. Stick it in there. Oh. It's looking promising. It's very long nuts and bolts. Graham to give them in here. That'll do. Oh. If I get this one on, it's not going to fall off onto the floor then, is it? At least I hope not. Sorry if you can't see anything. tough, isn't it? Just the thought counts. Oopsie. In you go. That's the fella. See, I need 3 hands to complete the task. Excellent. Look at that. Hanging on 2 bolts. I'm amazing, you know. I'm amazing. Fully gumgummed. Oh dear. That's the 4 nuts and bolts started. Well, I just need to tighten up there. Some of them are awkward to get this ratchet span on because it's thick. Yes. They're all tight. Woohoo! Ooh. Shove it in. I was going to grease these actually, wasn't I? Oh well, we'll leave that one in there for a minute. And we'll grease this one up. There we are. Sorry, why do I feel like my leg was in the way the whole time for that? Doesn't matter anyway. Got to give it a good shake test to make sure it's not knocking on anything. And it's not, which is good. So I shall tighten them up. Nice, there we go. That's not going anywhere. The exhaust is back. Oh, hello. I was at the front of the vehicle. I'll go around there in a second. I'll just show you my nice white diff. Look at that. I want a sticker there that says sniff my diff. That's what I want. Sniff my diff. I've jacked the front up. We've got axle stands on the axles, wheels and tyres underneath the front. Jacks under there as well on the side I'm working. Now, I've done quite a bit without the camera on. It's quite naughty, really. I've taken the spring off. Didn't really, not spring, sorry. Shock absorber off. Didn't really need to take it off, but it just gets out of the way. These holes here need repairing. There's not much I can do, really, because you can't really get the grinder in there properly. So I'm going to go for wire brush on a drill, get it as clean as possible, which I've been starting to do. And I think I'm just going to weld a little plate in there. Put some rust killer on it and stuff, and just weld a plate in there. A little one. There's a hole here, but it doesn't go into the chassis. It's just this bracket, and I think it's quite handy as a drain hole, so I'm just going to leave that one. The bump stop was under here. I've taken that off. It was only nuts and bolts, and they came undone really easily. Thankfully it's clean under here, apart from another one of those funky holes up there. So I've just been starting to clean that off now. which is a pain in the bum. There's all sorts going on in there. Yeah, and again I'm going to weld a plate on here to cover all that up. I'm just about to go underneath to see how bad it is, hoping it's okay over there. Ah, look at my diff, it's all oily. That's been coming out the filler plug. Anyway, sorry, looking at my messy looking diff. I don't know if it's just me or that looks like it's not in properly, but I will assess the oil leaks afterwards because we've got oil leak over here as well. Yay. Anyway, I'm under here looking at, where are we? Oof, looking at my hole. I've stabbed all along here violently and there's no holes up here. Thankfully it's just here again, so plate over that, weld here, job's a good one. That'll do. Yeah, and hopefully that's it on this side. I'm hoping. There is a couple. If you bear with me a second, I'll get up. Gross. There's a couple of holes here. They almost look like they should be there. That one there looks like it should be there. Where's my screwdriver? There it is. So that one there looks perfectly round. Looks like it should be there. This one, that's round, isn't it? That must, that must be meant to be. It must be meant to be there. Oh God, my English. Yeah, I think that's some kind of drain hole, or perhaps a hole to put wax oil in or something. And there's another one here, and again, it's perfectly round. So I think that's meant to be there. What do you think? I don't know. I think they are meant to be there. For whatever reason. There's no more further along. So tomorrow or the day after, weld that up, and this side can be painted and put back together. There is a little hole up here, but it's not structural, it's just a splash guard thing they fit. So I might just ignore it for now. I don't know. What do you think? Shall I do a proper job? Yeah, I'm going to have to do it, aren't I? Okay. Alright, I'll do it. Just making more work for me, aren't you? What's behind there? I don't know what's worth guarding. I mean, it could be a handy drain hole, so I could just leave it. Oh, you know what? I'm going to leave that for now, because that can be done at a later date. The chassis is more important. Yeah.